Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vapor token. Now this is a very popular AI agent token on the Hyperliquid blockchain. It is trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener in the Hyperliquid section. And they just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, January 17th. And we're going to go over the information on the Vapor token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Vaporware.fun is a no-code platform to deploy and manage AI agents. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at Vaporware.fun on X. So check that out. And it was just announced today on X that this token will be getting a brand new, very big central exchange listing January 17th at 4 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So this token is available now on COINEX Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have a COINEX Global account, I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that COINEX Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Vapor. And then simply just buy the token. Now, at least 4 huge Hyperliquid tokens got listed on COINEX Global today, including the PER token, the HFund token, and the Farm token, and then now this token. So COINEX Global is the place right now for Hyperliquid tokens. And yeah, they seem to be very up on trends. And so also check out the other videos I did today on the other Hyperliquid tokens and much more chains as well. I posted a few other XRPL tokens today and Solana. So check those out. Ethereum one too as well. So all the popular blockchains right now basically. So yeah, check those videos out and check out the referral codes down there, especially COINEX Global. So Vapor is building the future of AI agents on Hyperliquid. What is Vapor? Vaporware.fun is a no-code platform to deploy and manage AI agents. The launchpad is built using AI 16Z's ELIZA framework. ELIZA is an open-source framework built for AI agents to interact with many different social media platforms and blockchains. When agents are launched through Vaporware, their creators will have the option to also launch a token for the agent on the Hyperliquid EVM chain. Now, the Hyperliquid EVM chain is currently live on testnet and is slated to launch in 2025. So they have the launching agent section. If you want to go over to their webpage, Vaporware.fun, they have all sorts of links over there. So how launching an agent works. Creating agents with Vapor is easy. All you must do is provide some information about the agent known as the character file. Making good character files can be hard. We recommend leveraging AI to help make a thorough character. To fill out your character file, we will need the name of the agent, the core system prompt, an array of bio lines, an array of lore items, examples of how your agent should message other people, an array of examples of posts on X or Farcaster, an array of descriptive adjectives of your agent, an array of topics the agent can discuss, the styles in which your agent talks, which client you would like your agent to be active on, like X or Telegram. And alongside this information, we will need some technical info like Telegram bot API keys and how often you want them to post on X, etc. When launching an agent in the alpha version, there will not be an option to attach a token. Later on, in our beta period, you'll be able to choose between attaching an existing spot token or creating your own new ERC20 token on the Hyperliquid EVM. ERC20 tokens on the EVM chain will trade freely on the native decentralized exchange once one exists. During the alpha period, agents will not automatically be deployed since there is no fee. To deploy, the team will be reviewing agent submissions and approving applications on a rolling basis to make sure we can test all parts of the platform. So they do have the Telegram bot help on their page there, or the Twitter bot help in case you get stuck. Then the Vapor token, Vapor is live and tradable on Hyperliquid spot markets. The Vaporware.fun team performed a community takeover on the token as it was previously abandoned. All current and future applications created on Vaporware.fun will be powered by the Vapor token. Once live, all users will be required to burn Vapor tokens to launch an agent, and this amount will be based on market price of Vapor. Alongside this, all agent tokens launched on the Hyper EVM will be tradable on a native decentralized exchange pool and paired with Vapor as its trading counterpoint. As more agents are built on top of Vaporware.fun, more and more Vapor will be locked into liquidity pools. So this token is doing extremely well here. Trending number 6 today in Hyperliquid section on Dex Screener. Has a market cap of $49.7 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $5.4 million. Token price today is about 4.97 cents per token. And they just got this very big COINEX global listing today. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there, especially that COINEX global one where all these Hyperliquid tokens got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.